Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to this channel. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out together, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, let's go straight into it right away. Okay, so guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, the market actually went on uptrend before but got to the resistance zone, was unable to go above this region, so it went back into a downtrend till it got to this particular spot. Okay, and of course it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it's going to go back on buy trend area. We will be checking it out. I mean, we will be seeing it getting to this level if it goes back on buy trend. Okay, even if it's going to pull back, at least it should get here, and of course if it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so for now it is still selling, even though this might not be for a very long time, in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500. It went on downtrend, a very strong downtrend, and of course got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. It went back on buy trend for a few period, and of course finds it difficult to break out above this resistance zone, so it started selling right from there. So it will be trying out this support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back and try out the resistance zone and see if it will break out from there. Okay, and of course this is selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time also. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 actually went on downtrend right from here, and it sold till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it started buying right from there, even though it didn't go more than this before crashing down again. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity right from there because it has gotten to a support zone. Okay, except if it breaks out below that support zone, that is when it will keep on selling. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 actually went on uptrend but came to an end around there, and it started selling right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out volatility 75. Okay, this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 actually got to this particular support zone. You can see got there around there, around there, and around there, and of course was unable to break out below that, so it went back on uptrend but was unable to break out above this resistance zone. So at the moment it is selling right now and may likely get to this region if it breaks out below this particular support region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, so that guys, these are all that we are able to come up tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. So guys, for those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.